So today we're going to be going over the best student loan refinance companies. We're going to be talking about some of their features and benefits. And what we're going to do is hop over here on the screen so you can actually follow along in real time as I go over these benefits. Now, the first company on this list is going to be with SoFi. They are completely free to refinance with their company, as well as no early payment penalties. So if you want to pay that loan down a little bit faster, there are no fees to do so. Now, you do need to have at least $5,000 in student loans to go ahead and refi with SoFi, as well as you do get an auto pay discount of 0.25%. And checking your rates will not affect your credit score, but definitely keep in mind that you want to know what your credit score is, so stick around to the end of this video to keep on learning. Now, some more information with SoFi. They do have unemployment protection, so you are covered if something does happen there. You cannot remove a cosigner, so something to keep in mind is if you do apply, you cannot have them removed, as well as you typically need a 650 credit score or higher. I have seen for most people, it might be a little bit higher than that. And again, if you don't know your credit score, stick around to the end of the video because we want to help you out in that process. As well as you can actually get loan terms anywhere from 5, 7, 10, 15, or 20 years. And SoFi will honor the first 6 months of any existing grace period. Now, when it comes to SoFi, you can also have loan deferment for returning back to grad school, serving on active military duty, and undergo disability rehab. Now, refinance federal and private student loans together, which is great. You can also refinance Parent Plus loans if you want to take those off of your parents' accounts, as well as a $300 exclusive bonus for utilizing our link that's going to be in the show notes down below for you, alongside all of the other companies we talk about here today and any of their bonuses. Now, those do help us out to continue to create more content just like this. Now, Splash Financial is going to be the next one here on our list. They are also free to refinance, as well as no early payment penalties. These are two really important factors when it comes to picking these companies on our list. Now, you can actually see within 3 minutes or less if you actually pre-qualify, and there is, again, a soft pull on checking your rates. Now, also, you can remove a cosigner on this one, unlike the previous company, so something to keep in mind. You do need about a 650 credit score minimum to go ahead and apply. The nice thing is you can actually combine multiple loans. So if you have multiple federal loans, you can do that with this company. Now, also with Splash, you also get multiple offers for your loan with terms and rates, which is really nice. You get to choose. And then those term lengths can be anywhere from 5 to 25 years. The loan amount minimum does need to be about $5,000. And married couples can typically combine their loans as well if they would like. And just like the other company, there will be a $300 exclusive bonus using our link. Now, next up here is going to be with LendKey, also free to refinance and no early payment penalty. Again, high quality features that we want to make sure with the companies we recommend. This one also will have a $5,000 minimum, and you actually can also remove a cosigner from this company, as well as a 660 plus credit score to go ahead and do your refinance with. Now, they do also offer discounts for auto payments, as well as no refinancing for non-graduates. So something to keep in mind, you do need to have a graduate degree. Loan terms here can be anywhere from 5, 7, 10, 15, and 20 years. And refinance private and federal loans together. So if you have a mix or combo, you can go ahead and put them all in one. Forbearance is going to be available. You do need to reach out to them if something does come up. Checking rates will also not have a hard credit pull, so it's a soft pull for you. As well as they will have multiple loan offers for you, so it's not just one offer. They'll have different rates as well as different terms. And then this one as well will have an exclusive $300 bonus. And if by any chance you have over $150,000 in student loans to refinance, you will get a $750 bonus. So next up here is going to be with Earnest. Now, Earnest has a no early payment penalty, as well as it is free to refinance. The nice thing with Earnest, you can actually adjust your payment dates as needed. And then they do also have a bi-weekly auto pay option to help pay down that loan just a little bit faster, as well as an auto pay discount of 0.25 on your interest rate. Now, also with Earnest, they also go beyond just your credit score. So they do check a few other things like your history on payments for your electricity bill or your phone payments as well. You can actually combine multiple loans with this company as well. They do also have a disability and death benefit, so if something happens, you can have those cleared up. And really nice, you can actually skip one payment a year. Of course, that does go on the back end of your loan, but in case something happens in a given month, you can actually go ahead and skip that payment without having too big of a worry. Now, also with Earnest, you can actually refinance without having finished school. They also do have unemployment protection. and loan terms are typically anywhere from 5 to 15 years. And that link down below will get you a $100 bonus when going through and refinancing with them. Now, like I mentioned, all of the companies will be in the show notes down below for you. Those do help us out, but also gets you to the right landing page to go ahead and get started with your refinance. And like I mentioned, they also do help us out to continue to make more free content just like this for you. And speaking of free content, we want to make sure that you know your credit score before going through and applying for these student loans. So check out our video right over here to learn how to know your credit score when applying for loans.